Merckx here with you. Look, I got some big news and I am shaking because I am so excited to announce it. Oh my God, look, I'm so excited. I can't even wait to do this video. But so something big happened for me about 3 weeks ago, and I've been waiting to tell y'all because waiting on some things to come in, but it is finally time. And here we go. I am ready to announce that. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Look at that. Look at that. If you can't read, that is DynoJet. That's the Power Commander 5, baby. Got the DynoJet scarf. So I know I said I'm about to announce it, but I am sponsored by DynoJet now, and I'm so freaking stoked. I'm telling you, this is so awesome. I just want to give a big shout out to DynoJet. Thank y'all so much. Y'all ready to open the box? Let's see if we can. How's it open? Hold on. All right, we'll be back. Oh man, look at this. Look at this. Y'all can't see this, but oh man, I can't wait. Oh, I was trying to hold my phone and get it open. Ooh, oh man, look at that. Look at that. You can't see it yet. Hold on, let me put the phone down. Look at what we got here, boys. Here we go. Oh, y'all know what that is for the Polaris. Oh my goodness, look at it. Oh my gosh, that DynoJet Power Commander 5, boy. Oh, ooh, I'm so excited. Check it out. What else we got in here? I don't even know what that is. What is that? It's a scarf? Nice. And we got some keychains. Look at that. That is tight. And oh boy, the truck about to get decked out, son. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, those going on the truck. Ooh, man, that is absolutely sick. Yes, I'm so excited. Yes, look at those stickers and that keychain. That's a pretty cool keychain. I ain't gonna lie, I like that. Yo, DynoJet, like straight. Oh, there's multiple scarves in there. Yo, that's tight. Sweet. Yo, my hand is shaking right now. I'm telling you, I'm so excited for this. DynoJet, thank y'all so much for sponsoring me. I cannot thank y'all enough. Like, this is a big deal for me. Like, a smaller creator like me, God, the best thing in the world. I surely appreciate y'all. This thing's about to be bad, y'all. So, yep. I'm not going to put it on today, but I will put it on this week, and it'll be in this video. I mean, obviously, I'm just going to switch on it. But I just wanted to put that out there. I'm so excited. I'm telling you, I cannot tell you how excited I am for the Polaris to get an upgrade that I've been wanting. And the fact that I'm sponsored by these people is just mint. Mint. All right. Finally figured out how to open the box, I think. Oh, look in there. Ooh. All right. Is that the way I open? I don't know. We're gonna try. How does this freaking thing open, DynoJet? All right. Oh. Good place for that. Ooh, I don't know if y'all can see that good or not, but ooh, got that new programmer smell. Ooh, boy. Oh, that's hot. That is hot right there, y'all. Ooh, man. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I don't know the last time that I've been this excited about something, but I mean, y'all, look at that. I mean, that'd suck if I poured it out on the ground. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Yes. Ooh. All right. I am so ready to put this thing on. Ooh, man. This is awesome. So. Alright guys, so I think I've gotten all the pictures I needed. I've taken so many pictures with my new camera and everything, but as you can see, I'm I'm sweating. It's hot out here in Alabama, boys. But so yeah, we're gonna continue this video in a second. Probably be a couple days from now, because I have no idea. I got to read up on this, and I got to get my buddy Gabe to help me, because I have no idea how to put this on. But we're gonna show you guys how to put it on and everything, how to tune it and stuff. Gabe said he knows how to tune it a little bit, so we're gonna do the best we can with that, as we always do. Y'all learn just like we learn. But yeah, so just DynoJet. Yes. All right. So yeah, this video will continue in a minute for y'all, but in a couple days for us. So all right, y'all. So we are back. It is time. It's time. When you purchase, obviously you get the tuner with all these cords on it. You get little Velcro straps to strap it on. You get the instructions. Get this little read me first card, which I did just read, and it says to get started, you will need to download the Commander software on Windows. Once installed, you can download maps. So we're probably going to have to download some stuff. Oh, stickers. Everybody loves freaking stickers, man. Oh, man, those are awesome. I love stickers. And I'm assuming this is for a computer to download the maps, too. So, yeah. There we go. Fuel injector module. I thought there was, like, I know some have, like, buttons on there where you can just custom tune it yourself without having to download stuff, but I guess, you know, top of the line DynoJet, you got to do stuff more complicated. But anyway, we're gonna figure it out here in a second and get these plastics off. Ugh, I hate Highlifter orange. I hate it. Ugh, I wish they'd make it like a triple black or something. Anyway, so let's figure out what we got to do. And all right, guys, we are back. This is the Power Vision 3. Let's open it up. Let's look at it. Let's look at it. Oh, oh, oh. Wait, where'd it go?
Huh?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Hello? DynoJet? Hello?
Oh, don't work. I must not have service yet. I gotta activate it. What else is in there? Ooh, more stickers. Oh, we got all. Ooh, plug. Nice. Stickers. Is that stickers? No. What's that? Manual.
That's to the computer.
That's in the computer.
Like, not my computer. No, not like this one.
And then stickers. Yay.
Yay.
We love stickers. So, all right, y'all. So, we are. He wishes. He wishes. Anyway, so we are back. Finally got everything swapped out. We got the Power Vision 3 here. We're gonna wash mine off. As you can see, she a little dirty from Wild Country. Yeah, so we're gonna do that. We're gonna get washed off. We're gonna show y'all how to do the downloads and stuff like that in just a second when we get the old nasty thing cleaned off, and we'll be right back. Let's read some instructions real quick.
Yeah.
Like I said, all this stuff is detailed, guys. I mean, y'all will have no trouble figuring it out, and you just got to read. I mean, nobody likes to read, but, you know. Whatever.
Right.
So, yep, there we go. I'm going to read, wash, plug up, computer, download, all that good stuff, and now we'll be right back. It's not over there under your front left shock. It is under your radiator relocate. It's going to be right here. It's going to have that little purple tip on it. Also, your the tuner has it, so you can kind of match it, obviously. That's what we were looking for. But we had to take the bolts out of mine just to get it up there, because I think it was a little fault, fell down in there. But that's where it's going to be, guys. This is where you're going to plug it in. You're going to turn your key on, and then you're going to let it read the stock ECU, and it's got all the stuff in the manual to do that. So we're gonna plug it up here and plugging it in. Should fit like a charm. Turn the key on. Let's see what this little thingy does. Oh, it says DynoJet on it. Ooh. Searching for tune files. No compatible stock files. An ECU read is required to begin the tuning process. So press that button to start the ECU read. What's it say?
It'll take up to 15 minutes.
15 minutes, let's see. Yep, 15 minutes. So, we'll let it read, and Come back in 15 minutes.
Go do something else.
Go do something else. All right, guys. So it is finished reading the stock ECU. We about to log on to the what is it? Tunes.dynojet.com, something like that.
It's DynoJet first.
Is it DynoJet?
I made an account, so.
Oh, well, anyway. So yeah, I'm gonna plug it up and see what we got. All right, guys. So on the DynoJet website, they only have stuff for stock intakes and stock exhausts. They don't have any for aftermarket intakes or stuff, so we're just going to download the stock intake and stock exhaust onto the tuner and see what it does. I mean, it is going to lower the fan temps and raise the rev limiter and stuff like that, so it should still run about normal, but it'll just change those for right now, and then we'll have to get a different tune later. So, all right, got the tune on there.
Yeah, I think we got this done.
Plugging it back up. See. What does it say? It says DynoJet. Searching. All required files found. Boom, there it is. I think it's that
Get
one.
it. That don't stop.
What does that say?
It just tells you
Oh, okay.
what it is.
Stock intake, stock
Yep.
exhaust. And there we go. Ooh, that was quick.
Hasn't started yet.
Oh. Oh yeah, I always got it raised. Okay, well, I mean that's still quick.
It's erasing your stock phone, putting a new one on.
So, all right, well, we're gonna wait on that, and then we'll see what it says next. Writing. Okay, that might.
No, this is. It's gonna take a little while.
Yeah, putting the new one on there. So she's about to be tuned for stock. I mean, yeah. Stock stuff. But all right, guys. Well, it is on. We're about to go take it out and see if it does any different. I mean, it shouldn't be that noticeable different, but it did change a little bit from the, you know, it's still stock stuff on there. I mean, it was running fine as it was. It could have a little bit of tuning, but I'm gonna go ride and find out. Also, guys, with this one, you do not have to leave it plugged up. I mean, that's where you plug it up. Obviously, you do not have to leave it plugged up because it just rewrites your ECU and everything. You know, some of them you have to leave on there, but this one you do not. And that's it. Pretty simple and easy when you get it figured out. I mean, it took us a second to find the tunes and everything, but we are going to get a different tune for it because this is, I do want the actual tune that's supposed to be for the exhaust and for the snorkels. So we're going to do that, and it is Sunday, so nobody's going to be open to do it. But we'll get that done probably next week, but right now it's tuned, so yeah. All right, y'all, first ride on the new tune. It's really can't really tell any difference. It's about the same to me, honestly. I do see the RPMs going up though. It definitely deleted that, but we're still only hitting 50. I guess this tune doesn't give you the 7 extra horsepower that like another tune would do, so it is not popping though. So like when I gas on it and really get into it and let off really quick, it starts popping really bad. So it's not doing that. I mean, that's just me coming down. But yeah, so I did notice that at least. I mean, we got that going for us. But other than that, I can't really tell a difference. So we're gonna have to get a different tune on here and see about that. So yeah, y'all, I mean, I want to give a big shout out to DynoJet for sponsoring me. I really appreciate it, guys. And I really appreciate y'all helping me swap out that Power Commander 5 for the Power Vision 3. That was great customer service, man. I really appreciate that. I guess customer service, I mean, you know, sponsorship. But I really appreciate that, guys. And I mean, we're going to go places with this one. So yeah, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Hope it was a little informational for y'all to help out. Hope the video, hope it was a little informational for y'all to help out. Oh yeah, DynoJet got y'all on the truck now. Finally got them good stickers in. So what apparently happened with the Power Commander 5 is somewhere along the line FedEx let the box get wet and the stickers in the box got wet. And I couldn't put no stickers on. So DynoJet, being the good people they are, sent me some new ones. And there we go, sent me the shirt as well because they were out of them at the time, you know, big boy sizes. But yeah, so I really appreciate y'all, DynoJet, and we're gonna do some good things and catch y'all in the next one.